Which career path should you choose in 2026? Choosing a career has never been simple. But in 2026, it feels more confusing than ever. New technologies appear every year. Job titles keep changing. And advice online often pushes trends instead of clarity. If you're wondering which career path makes sense for you in 2026, this video will help you think clearly, not emotionally. This is not about hype. It's about alignment. Why career decisions are harder in 2026. In the past, careers were linear. You picked a degree. You entered a field. You stayed there for decades. Today, careers are modular. People switch roles. Skills overlap across industries. Technology touches almost every job. This means you're no longer choosing just a job. You're choosing a direction of growth. And choosing without understanding the landscape can slow you down. The three broad career directions in 2026. Most modern careers fall into three major paths: technology-driven roles, business and management roles, enterprise and domain-specific roles like SAP. Let's break each one down. 1. Technology-driven careers. Technology careers are no longer just for programmers. They include roles like software and cloud professionals, data and AI specialists, cybersecurity and IT engineers. These careers focus on building, securing, or optimizing systems. You might fit this path if you enjoy problem solving, you like logic and structured thinking, you're comfortable learning continuously. But here's the key point. In 2026, technology careers are role-based, not tool-based. Learning random technologies without a clear role leads to confusion. Success comes from choosing a role, then building depth around it. 2. Business and management careers. Not everyone needs to code to succeed in the modern economy. Management and business roles are evolving just as fast. These include project and product management, business analysis, operations and strategy roles. These careers focus on decision-making, coordination, and execution. You may fit this path if you enjoy planning and organizing, you like working with people and processes, you think in terms of outcomes, not tools. In 2026, strong managers are not just people managers. They understand technology impact, business metrics, cross-functional collaboration. Management today is a skill set, not a title. 3. Enterprise and domain-specific careers, SAP and beyond. Large organizations run on structured enterprise systems. This includes SAP ERP platforms, industry-specific software. These careers sit at the intersection of technology and business. You may fit this path if you like structured systems, you enjoy process design, you want long-term domain stability. SAP and enterprise careers are especially strong because they are deeply embedded in business operations. Skills remain relevant for years. They offer clear specialization paths. In 2026, enterprise professionals who understand both system and business logic are highly valued. How to choose the right path for you. Instead of asking, "What is trending?" ask, "How do I think?" Here are three important questions. 1. Do you enjoy building, managing, or optimizing? If you enjoy building systems, right pointing arrow technology. If you enjoy managing people and outcomes, right pointing arrow management. If you enjoy optimizing processes, right pointing arrow SAP, enterprise. Your natural preference matters more than market noise. 2. How do you like to work? Some people prefer deep focus and individual problem solving. Others prefer collaboration and communication. Neither is better. But choosing the wrong environment leads to burnout. 3. Do you prefer speed or stability? Tech roles often move fast and change frequently. Enterprise and SAP roles offer long-term stability. Management roles sit in the middle. Choose based on your tolerance for change, not pressure from others. The biggest career mistake in 2026. The biggest mistake professionals make is trying to learn everything. They take a little tech, a little management, a little data, a little SAP, but master nothing. Depth beats breadth. Careers grow when you Choose a direction, build strong foundations, expand horizontally. Only after depth what actually creates career growth in 2026. Growth comes from clear role alignment, structured learning paths, hands-on, real-world exposure, understanding business context. Certificates and courses help, but only when aligned with a role. Random learning creates noise. Intentional learning creates momentum. You can always pivot, but start right. Choosing a career path does not lock you in forever. But starting with clarity saves time, reduces frustration, builds confidence. Most successful professionals pivot from a strong base, not confusion. Final thoughts: there is no single, best career in 2026. There is only the right career for you. The right path matches how you think, fits how you work, aligns with long-term growth. Summary: if you want help choosing a structured, role-based career path across technology, SAP, and management, at Uplatz, we design learning journeys that focus on real roles, practical skills, long-term career growth, because careers don't grow by chasing trends. They grow by clear decisions. Visit uplatz.com to explore your path.